Hey there, I'm Andres from Connex Digital, and we are official Quo and Zapier partners. I wanted to show you how you can build a custom call center dashboard for your company. If you use Quo, chances are you run some kind of small call center. Pest control, HVAC, property management, insurance, whatever your industry is, your agents are taking dozens or even hundreds of calls every single day. And here's the problem. Who is going to analyze all those calls? No insights, no coaching, no visibility. And that's exactly where a revenue leaks happens. So with Zapier, you can have AI start analyzing every call automatically today without building a huge system or buying an expensive quality assurance platform. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. So for this demo, I've built everything on top of Notion, which is our preferred database and project management tool. But keep in mind, you can build this on top of your existing CRM or ERP, or even Google Sheets, for example, to keep it just a bit super simple. Here on Notion, briefly, I've built a calls log database, a contacts database, and an agents database. All the three are connected between each other. And Notions allows me to build the custom dashboards that are super simple and super quick to understand. So this is the same data I have in the databases, just is shown in different views. Now let's go back to Zapier. Zapier is a platform that allows you to connect different apps. It has 8,000 more apps listed here. So, it has all CRMs and major platforms in here. For example, Salesforce, HubSpot, etc. The way Zapier works, it has different tools to work with. And the one that I'm going to show you today is Zaps. Zaps are automated workflows. And usually when we build a Zap, we go with the formula. When this happens, do that. So as mentioned, there are two Zaps that I'm going to use to bring data into the CRM. The first one is this one that brings call details into the CRM. And the second one works actually with the transcript. So it's sending the transcript to be analyzed with AI. Let me show you the other one first, the call details. Basically, this is triggered with every incoming call. You connect your Q account here, hit continue, and then configure. You can have this triggered to all of your phone numbers or just selected phone numbers. And this is the information that comes from Q. So I have the to number, the from number, the direction, so on and so forth. With this, I create an item in the Notion database. And, if you have Salesforce or HubSpot, you can send this into your CRM by clicking on the plus button there to add a step and looking for your CRM and building the connection here. Otherwise, you can have, Google Sheets as well. That could be an option too. And so what I'm doing here in these other actions, I'm basically creating, finding the contact or creating one if it doesn't exist already, and then finding the agent. And with these API requests, I am connecting the two. So on Notion, this is super sweet because you can see all call logs are connected to agents. And so if I click in here, if I click on a call, I can see the associated agent. And as well, when I click on the agent, I can see all the associated calls. That's here. Back to Zapier, let me show you the transcript Zap. So this is activated every time there is a transcript completed. I have an action to get the recording, so I have both. And later on, I'm sending this to and store this both into the Notion database with this action here. So just to show you how this look like, if I open this call, this is how the transcript looks like. Oops. And now the interesting part, I'm sending this to AI. And the cool part is that you can have different prompts depending on your industry. So we have a client that, for instance, we are generating 100 more items out of each transcript. So we are monitoring how the agent behave with the client, if credit cards were taken, if the agent tried to upsell. So we're using the transcript to analyze both from the compliance side, if everything was handled correctly by the agent, but also from the sales perspective, having items to work and have AI analyze the transcript so the manager knows what this agent can improve in terms of sales. Or, for example, is he or she following the script, right? Is he trying to upsell? All those kind of things can be analyzed with AI. And of course, you can get data automatically. For example, what kind of call was this? What kind of inquire? Was this a follow-up? And so let me show you quickly how this looks on Zapier. So by the way to add this on Zapier, you will need one action per data point that you want to extract. And this is good practice. If the data points are, 2 or 3, chances are you can handle this with a single prompt. But when there are so many, AI works best when you have these separated. So for each, I have a different prompt for each. As you can see, I input in here the transcript coming from above, then I have this prompt. And for this specific action, what I'm trying to extract here is the call category or call type. Then from this one, I'm getting the summary. And here in the test area, you can see how this look like. And finally, I'm extracting. And the last step is to update everything in back in Notion. Hopefully, this gave you an idea of what can be accomplished and what it can build on Zapier. If you need help automating or building this, we do this as an agency. We have a pool of consultants that can help you build this live, customized to your company. Look for the link in the description below to book a free discovery call with us. Cheers.